Welcome to my 2025 reset video. This time of year in the Celtic calendar is known as Samhain, and it's a time that follows Halloween. It's basically just like normal winter, but specifically we have within that midwinter or the winter solstice, which comes around the 21st of December, and that's where we reach the darkest point of the year. And generally this time of year is known as the kind of dark half of the year. Because we're really reaching those darker months, it tends to be a time that's all about letting go and getting rid of things that no longer serve us. So for this video, it's going to be resetting any routines that I feel need resetting. It's decluttering, cleaning, getting kind of space, both mentally and physically, for the things that will be coming in the warmer seasons of the year next year in 2025. I like to start my reset off with a good solid morning routine. So whatever my ideal morning would be, for me that means spending the morning quite slowly, starting off with my morning drink of cacao, having some breakfast that will fill me for the day, and doing my journaling, which is 3 A4 pages or letter size pages every day, and then heading out for some morning daylight and movement, which for me at the moment is morning yoga. I'm about to head out for my yoga, but before I go, here's a list of the things that I want to get done as part of this reset. I'm tracking these as part of a project in Notion and just ticking them off as I go along. It's nice to have kind of a checklist for something like this because it can definitely be easy to get demotivated. What I'm doing just before I leave for yoga is having a look through my recipes, because one thing that I feel I really need to reset is my kind of meals, because I have some really good summery meals that I like to eat on the regular, and since we've reached winter, I've just not really been wanting those. And I haven't really found a good replacement. It means sometimes I'll be eating microwave meal or getting food out and about because I just don't have a good meal prep situation going on. So I'm taking a look through some of my recipes so that I can go out to the shops and get some stuff that I really like after my class. I am back with a bit of a grocery haul. I didn't really get any footage in yoga because, well, I never really do. Because, it's quite a private time, obviously, as well. There's no phones allowed or anything like that. But if you're doing yoga at the moment, I'd be interested to know, do basically all of your classes have heart opening and hip stuff at the moment? Because all of my classes do, which is releasing a lot of, trauma in the body, as they say. Anyways, so I got bananas for just breakfast, my general breakfast, and oat milk as well, same, just usual stuff. My go-to lunch at the moment is tuna in sunflower oil rather than brine, because brine is kind of gross, and a baked potato, which is already cooked and frozen, and then you can microwave them. Which, is that the best? I don't know, but that's okay. What I've got for dinner is pork with some rice and some pak choy and some courgettes and some hoisin sauce, and I feel that is a good option. Also got some chicken thighs, which is a good snack to have. We also have some soup, which is good. I say I will probably have 4 meals today. We got some prawns, which also work as an alternative snack to the chicken, so I can have those over the next couple days. So what I'm going to do now is take my shower, because I need a full, nice, relaxing shower. And then I'm going to come down and make my tuna baked potato situation and just start doing some cooking. So I'm going to cook the chicken thighs and do some cleaning of the kitchen, because the kitchen needs a proper deep clean. So I feel I'm going to do that next while I'm cooking the chicken. Kitchen is clean, food is made. My hair is starting to reach its full potential in terms of waviness for the day. I am feeling tired. It is 2:45 or 2:45 for the Americans. I'm going to sit down for a bit. I'm going to have a little snack. I'm going to have a decaf coffee and do my like laptop-y bits that I need to do. I'm booking a massage, which it looks like I'll be able to book for today at 4:45, which is ideal because I need a good night's sleep and I feel like after a massage would be ideal. And then I also was thinking about booking a haircut, and now I'm not so sure if I want to. And then I definitely need to get a nail appointment because my 2-week polish is starting to come off and I need to get it redone. And I'm wondering if I get it done this weekend, will it last for Christmas? And I feel yes, it should. So I'm going to try and get an appointment for tomorrow. And the other laptop work that I need to do is my digital declutter, and that's just kind of clearing away old files, making sure like if there's any folders of stuff or the downloads folder that's just been building up with stuff, that can just be cleared, and getting rid of some things and making some space. And then anything that's left for tomorrow, like I don't know that I'll get through cleaning the bathroom or organizing my drawers or my books upstairs. I don't think I'll get to the upstairs of the house basically today. I know I've already done my big kind of clothes rehaul for the year, and I've done a lot of work in the office, but there's still a bit more to be done, and I feel that is a job for tomorrow. Also, like, it'd be nice if this, vlog was organized by decluttering the physical space, then decluttering the digital space, and I might still organize it that way anyways, but like just know that doing this kind of work, like, it takes a while and you're not going to get it all done in one day. Also, don't force yourself to do like a full declutter of your whole house in such a short space of time. It's tiring work. Deep cleaning is tiring work. And yeah, I often tend to go for it a little bit too hard on certain days. I'm going to try and take it easy for finishing up these last couple things, pretty much just today and tomorrow, because I don't know when else I get these things done before Christmas. Hello and welcome back to day 2 of this reset vlog. I have a couple hours now until I have to go to a hot yoga class. We are in the bedroom, as you can see. I am planning on cleaning out my makeup drawer and then just doing a slight readjustment to my wardrobe because I still have some summer clothes in there. I just want to kind of reorder things so that there's a bit more space. And all of my kind of sports clothes are all squished into one section at the moment. And I'm planning on getting more sports clothes for Christmas. Need to make some room for those, basically. I've got this small chest of drawers, which I need to also sort out as like socks, underwear, pajamas. And then up the top here, I have all my jumpers. Well, I have some of my jumpers and then all of my bottoms and skirts and things. And I want to just move some of the stuff that I definitely won't be wearing until the summer just back so that I can make more room for jumpers that I have stored separately. And then here I just kind of have maybe a couple of things that I just want to reorganize so that they are a bit more winter focused. And then this chest of drawers will end up being for loungewear essentially. This is the chest of drawers where I need to reorganize the first one mainly because it's been this hot mess of a makeup drawer for quite some time. Just stuff piled absolutely everywhere. In the bathroom, I need to do a general clean, and then I want to reorganize this section here, the little set of drawers. And then in this room, I have a couple of papers and stuff to tidy up on the desk. Behind this, we have all of my books. And then I also just want to sort out the drawers in here as well. Okay, so they're not perfectly organized, you know, I didn't go for the colorology or anything, but we have kind of poetry and stories, we have acting and plays, we have business, well-being, etc., and then just general fiction. Again, this does probably not look that organized, but I can literally see everything that's in here, so that is good enough for me. So I've cleared out a good bit of stuff and I have everything I need in the right places. So there you have it, folks. If you are looking for some suggestions for what to watch when you're doing a reset, because I like to put on some movies and or TV. I have one TV option and that is Glow. That's what I've been watching over the last week or so. Definitely one of my favorite shows on TV. I think the best show on TV that nobody watched. And sadly, it got cancelled after 3 seasons. They were meant to do, I think, a fourth and final season, but then over COVID, they had to stop filming and they never made it, which is absolutely tragic. Reinventing yourself kind of vibes. And then movies wise, at this time of year, will always watch The Holiday, which I feel is also good for reinventing yourself. I'll usually watch Eat, Pray, Love, which is, I feel, a great New Year's movie. I watched Bridget Jones' Diary today. Great. Again, well, is it? Slightly more toxic of a movie, to be honest. And then the other one that I love to watch around this time of year is How to Be Single. Again, another great movie that I feel nobody saw. So those are my reset watches. I would love to know, do you have any specific watches that you like to watch around this time of year?